This is Buck. Hey, Buck. Good boy. Hey, you. Stay, Tucker. Good boy, Tucker. Stay. You're fine. Okay, Tucker. Okay. Uh-oh. Buck, what happened? Good boy. Okay, this video is hard to take. Definitely not a professional videographer here. Buckers! Wow! Hey, what happened? Oh, what? You want the bunny? You like that bunny. Okay, he's pretty active today. He was pretty sleepy when I first started. I think he's a nice, good-tempered pup. Likes people, likes other dogs. Ouch, ouch. Likes to bite. Oh. That's what he does with Kitty. Look at his tail. He's getting adventuresome. Not too scared to go away from me. That's a good thing. Tucker, come here. No, leave the ball. Come here. And see what Buck does. Good boy, Tucker. He's gonna go check out the toys. He's not afraid of being by himself. Not that he's actually by himself, but... What a good puppy.